be Mr. Right, but he is certainly Mr.
The
Smooth.
Blue Jays will be without starter Jim Clancy for a couple of weeks.
Hello, space enthusiasts. Today, we have an incredible discovery to share with you. Just 40 light-years away from our solar system, a new planet has been discovered that bears an astonishing resemblance to Earth, Gliese-12b. Are you ready to uncover its secrets? This exoplanet has a radius almost identical to Earth's, indicating a rocky composition. But what's truly exciting is that Gliese-12b is situated at a distance from its host star, where conditions might be suitable for life as we know it. Astrophysicist Shishir Dolakia told Science Alert, "This planet could provide us with the clearest answer yet on whether it can support habitable conditions. Its host star is inactive and extremely close, making this planet particularly interesting." But there's one crucial thing we don't know yet. Does Gliese-12b have an atmosphere? If it does, this planet might be habitable like Earth. If it doesn't, it could be a scorching hellscape like Venus. This factor makes all the difference. Dolakia explains, Gliese-12b represents one of the best targets for studying whether Earth-sized planets orbiting cool stars can retain their atmospheres. This is a crucial step in advancing our understanding of the habitability of planets in our galaxy. The TESS Exoplanet Hunting Telescope, along with follow-up observations from other telescopes, revealed that Gliese-12b has a radius almost identical to Earth's and completes an orbit around its host star every 12.76 days. This is an astounding discovery. This star is a red dwarf, meaning it's much cooler and dimmer than our Sun. However, the radiation the planet receives is about 1.6 times that of Earth. The estimated surface temperature is 42 degrees, 107 degrees Celsius. In comparison, Earth's average surface temperature is 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Celsius. This suggests that liquid water could exist on its surface. The scientific value of this planet lies in understanding what kind of atmosphere it might have. Gliese-12b could bridge the gap between Earth and Venus, helping us understand how habitability works on planets. If it has an atmosphere, could it support life on its surface? That's the big question scientists are currently investigating. Scientists hope to use the JWST telescope to take a closer look at this planet's atmosphere. Determining if it has one and what it's composed of will teach us a lot about habitability. Dolakia says, JWST will likely give us a clear picture of what its atmosphere looks like. This is truly exciting. To date, more than 5,600 exoplanets have been discovered outside our solar system. But we haven't found Earth 2.0 yet. Many of the worlds we've found are larger. This doesn't mean we haven't found planets similar in size and mass to Earth. We have found quite a few, but finding Earth-sized exoplanets that meet the conditions for habitability is a bit more challenging. One of these conditions is that the exoplanet must be at a certain distance from its star, known as the habitable zone or Goldilocks zone. This is defined by the temperature that the star exerts on the exoplanet. The exoplanet needs to be close enough for water to remain liquid on its surface, but not so close that the water would evaporate away. In our solar system, Earth sits right in the middle of the Goldilocks zone. Venus is a bit too close to the Sun. Mars is on the outer edge and proves that being in the habitable zone doesn't guarantee habitable conditions. However, it does give us a starting point to identify worlds that need closer examination for other signs of habitability. This is what we have with Gliese-12b, the TESS Exoplanet Hunting Telescope, along with follow-up observations from other telescopes, revealed that Gliese-12b has a radius almost identical to Earth's and completes an orbit around its host star every 12.76 days. Here in the solar system, this would be very close. However, Gliese-12 star is a red dwarf, much cooler and dimmer than our Sun. The radiation the exoplanet receives is about 1.6 times what Earth receives from the Sun. The estimated surface temperature of the exoplanet is 40 Sudigs, 107 degrees. In comparison, Earth's average surface temperature is 15 degrees, 59 degrees. On the other hand, whether the exoplanet has an atmosphere or not plays a significant role in determining what the surface conditions will be like. Dolakia explains, "We're talking about the equilibrium temperature of the planet, which is the temperature it would have if it didn't have an atmosphere. Much of the scientific value of this planet lies in understanding what kind of atmosphere it might have. Since Gliese-12b falls between the amount of light received by Earth and Venus, it will be valuable in bridging the gap between these two planets in our solar system." Gliese-12b receives about 85% of the radiation that Venus does. However, Venus is shrouded in a thick, suffocating atmosphere that creates a runaway greenhouse effect, resulting in an average surface temperature of 464 degrees Celsius, 807 degrees. Palithorpe explains, "It's thought that both Earth's and Venus's early atmospheres were stripped away and later replenished by volcanic outgassing and impacts from leftover material in the solar system." Palithorpe told Science Alert, "While more atmospheric analysis is needed to determine whether the planet is habitable, this could teach us a lot about the pathways to habitability for planets, even within our own solar system." Researchers hope to use JWST to take a closer look and see if it has an atmosphere and what it's made of. Dolakia told Science Alert, "JWST will likely give us a clear picture of what its atmosphere looks like. Currently, the atmosphere of a planet is probably the most critical unknown that can either confirm or refute any claims of habitability. In other words, the hypothesis that this planet is habitable is very exciting, but being able to test this hypothesis is especially thrilling. We can extend these findings to potentially habitable planets around the most common type of stars in our galaxy, red dwarfs." The discovery of Gliese-12b marks a major step in our search for life in the universe. Stay with us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more discoveries and science news. Stay curious about the mysteries of space.